So Krishna, I carry what they lack. I preserve what they have. Arjuna, do you understand how the Mahatmas, how these great devotees are? So I want you to be like that. Always think of me. Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu ma manushmara yujacha. So he wants Krishna to be a Mahatma Kshatriya. Shoot arrows and have ananya chinta. That's what he's getting to, basically. That's where it's all leading. He's saying, Krishna, see, a Mahatma's like this, a great devotee's like this, and a Mahatma's like that. So, I want you to be like that. I want you to be a Mahatma. Oh, but I'm a Kshatriya, I'm a Grihastha, I'm a school teacher, I'm a housewife, I can't be like this. No, Arjuna is the archetype. Arjuna is being trained, and we are being trained, whether we're Grihastha or single or brahmachari or working or whatever, loafers or whatever. We're all being trained by Krishna through Arjuna and Krishna's dialogue. We're being trained how to become ananya chinta, nitya vayuktanam, nitya manaso, connected with Krishna. And Krishna is heartfully speaking, because he's Bhaktavatsala. This is primary special quality of Krishna, which even Ram is not distinguished by this quality. Only Krishna.